Hello my lovely besties, welcome to my channel. Alright, let's focus on hands and feet because honestly, these are the parts of your body that show the most wear and tear, and they frequently get neglected. But don't worry, I've got some amazing, simple tricks that will make your hands and feet feel soft, smooth, and refreshed. And the best part? Everything is DIY and cheap, no fancy products needed. Let's start with our hands because honestly, they do so much every single day. They type, clean, cook, and touch everything, and all that hard work can make them dry, rough, or even a little dull, so giving them some extra love is a must. The first thing we're going to do is a simple DIY scrub that is super effective and completely cheap. Grab a little sugar and mix it with either Vaseline or coconut oil until it forms a soft, spreadable paste. Then take your hands and start rubbing the scrub in gentle circular motions all over, paying special attention to the knuckles, the tips of your fingers, and around your nails where the skin frequently gets rough and dry. And as you rub, notice how the sugar gently exfoliates away dead skin while the oil moisturizes at the same time, leaving your hands feeling instantly smoother. And you can even rub a little extra on the backs of your hands, because that area usually gets neglected. After scrubbing for a few minutes, rinse your hands with warm water and feel the difference immediately. The softness, the smoothness, it's almost like magic. And if you really want to pamper your hands, follow this up with a second scrub variation by mixing a tiny bit of honey with sugar for extra hydration, while you gently massage it over the same areas. Then rinse and pat dry. And finally, lock in all that softness by applying a generous layer of Vaseline or coconut oil, massaging it into every corner, around your cuticles and between your fingers. And for maximum results, wear a pair of thin cotton gloves and let it sit overnight so your hands wake up feeling baby soft, nourished, and completely refreshed. And the best part is that doing these scrubs regularly not only removes rough patches and dead skin, but also improves circulation, making your hands look healthier and glow naturally. So simple, so effective, and honestly, once you start, you'll look forward to this little self-care ritual every day because it feels amazing and totally rewarding. Now a few quick do's and don'ts to keep your hands healthy and soft. Do moisturize your hands regularly, especially the knuckles, cuticles, and backs of your hands. Do wear gloves when cleaning, washing dishes, or using harsh chemicals to protect your skin. Do exfoliate once or twice a week to remove dead skin and keep hands smooth. Do massage your cuticles with oil and keep nails clean to prevent dryness and cracking. Now for the don'ts. Don't wash your hands with hot water or harsh soaps as they dry out your skin. Don't bite your nails or pick at cuticles because it damages your hands. Don't ignore rough patches or cracks. Treat them early. Don't forget sun protection, especially if your hands are exposed, to avoid dark spots and premature aging. Following these simple do's and don'ts will help your hands stay soft, smooth, and healthy every day. Now let's start with our feet because honestly, they carry us everywhere and work tirelessly every day. From walking to standing for hours, our feet endure so much, which can leave them dry, cracked, or rough. The first DIY trick is a coffee and Vaseline scrub. Take a little coffee powder and mix it with Vaseline until it forms a soft paste. Gently massage it all over your heels, soles, and toes in circular motions. The coffee helps exfoliate dead skin, while Vaseline locks in moisture, leaving your feet instantly soft. Another powerful DIY is a honey and baking soda scrub. Mix a teaspoon of honey with a pinch of baking soda and massage it over your feet. Honey hydrates and soothes, while baking soda gently buffs away rough skin and neutralizes odor, making your feet feel fresh and smooth. For brightening and refreshing tired feet, try a lemon and sugar scrub. Mix sugar with a few drops of lemon juice and rub it over your heels and the tops of your feet. Lemon helps remove dead skin and lightens dark spots, while sugar exfoliates. If your feet are extremely dry or cracked, a simple overnight Vaseline mask works wonders. Apply a thick layer of Vaseline on your feet, massage it into every corner, and cover them with cotton socks. By morning, your feet will feel nourished, soft, and silky smooth. You can also combine coconut oil and coffee or sugar for a super hydrating and exfoliating scrub that smells amazing and works like magic. A few extra hacks: soaking your feet in warm water with a teaspoon of lemon juice and honey for 5 to 10 minutes refreshes and softens them instantly. Massaging olive oil or almond oil into the arches and heels improves circulation and reduces fatigue. For rough heels, sprinkling a little baking soda on damp feet before scrubbing helps remove thick calluses naturally. Even simple things like stretching your toes, moving them while soaking, and wearing cotton socks after scrubs make a huge difference in softness. Do wear breathable socks and alternate shoes to prevent moisture buildup and odor. Do trim your toenails straight across to avoid ingrown nails and maintain hygiene. Now for the don'ts. Don't ignore cracks in your heels because even small ones can worsen if untreated. Don't walk barefoot on rough surfaces as it can create more calluses or cuts. Don't soak your feet in hot water for too long since it can dry out the skin. Don't use harsh chemical exfoliants on sensitive areas. Natural scrubs are much gentler. Don't forget sunscreen on the tops of your feet when wearing sandals to avoid dark spots and premature aging. Following these simple tips will keep your feet soft, smooth, and healthy every day. And honestly, once you start this little foot care ritual, you'll look forward to it because it feels amazing, refreshing, and totally rewarding.